Alright. Hey guys, this is my At One with Nature tutorial number 2. It's pretty much following on from obviously number 1 with the butterfly and the everything like that. Here I was making that a bit dark. So yeah, it's just gonna be a flower on the other side instead of all butterflies. So I'm about to walk in my room. Okay, so what we do is get started by drawing a stem. You can do it any way you want it. The bud, the leaves. What we're going to do now is you can do the middle of that, we can do the leaves first, which I always do the leaves first. This doesn't really look all that flowery. Alright, so we got that, and then we just fill the colour in with a bit of that. And yes, I've done a bit of shading already. Just go over that bit with a bit of pink, and it'll blend out the shading bit too. See? And that's pretty much it. It's like a minute tutorial. Oh, and we got to colour in the leaves. Don't forget the leaves. Just colour them in roughly. You can blend it in, colour in as much or as little as you want, but roughly it looks good. Alright, there we go. And that's side 1. That is side 2. So actually, with the little middle of this one, I'm just going to do a little, I'm going to do like a couple of lines across, see? And there we go, finished. And that is the At One with Nature 2. Thank you for watching.